can hear something. Trail magic, yay! Ooh. And I can smell a campfire. Ooh, that's so nice. Trail magic, you. Ooh, a lot of hikers. Hello.
Come with me now. Oh, I didn't get my photo with you. Yes. Away, and people think that they might have missed it, but it was there.
Thank you so much for the pancakes.
You bet.
I mean, there's
So yes, I had 2 pancakes, peanut butter, jam mix on the pancake, and it was delicious. And I think 3 cups of hot water, and I had tea, so I'm carrying a little bit tea with me. So it was very, very amazing. And there was a small little stove in the middle, so I could dry my shirt, my socks, my shoes. My shoes are still a little bit wet, but not so bad. And now I feel amazing now. My sleeping bag is still wet. I'm not sure what I will do with my sleeping bag for the night, but it doesn't matter. Until now I'm warm, I'm feeling good. I'm ready for hike today. It's still wet, and now I hope the sun is coming out in the afternoon. I hear something about it, so yeah, that's it. I think this was the best trail magic ever. No, I mean the other trail magic is very nice and perfect, but if you are hiking on a rainy day, you get wet in the night and you can't even move your fingers or your toes, and you have to hike, and maybe not, the sun is not coming out, and then you can sit there, get hot drinks and warm meal, and even you can dry your clothes on a stove. It's perfect, and it's so amazing. Thank you, Cowboy. This was the best one. So I did 1,200. Yay! I think it's still a lot. So 1,200 miles. It's a lot. Ooh. Okay, look at this. Ooh, wow. Wow, this is such a big mushroom. Ooh. Look at this. Okay, this is a very, very big one. Wow. So the mushroom was laying here on the ground, so I didn't know who picked them, but it's a big one. Ooh. So the sun is coming out. This is very nice. I'm searching for a spot where I can dry out my sleeping bag. Maybe with a little bit cell service, because I think the last 3 days I don't really had cell service, so I didn't know what's going on, and I get a lot of messages from people, but sorry, I can't respond. So if I have cell service, most of the time it's only 1 minute, and then I get a lot of messages in, but I can't respond because then the cell service is going away. Sorry for this. Yeah. But yeah, the sun is coming out, and I hope the next days is dry. Yeah, so PCT, logbook. Okay, so I'm searching for a campsite now. It is best cold, and there was a nice picnic table over there, but I'm not sure if I want to camp there. It's very easy to reach with a car, and I'm alone, and for me it's a little bit too open, and I think it's safer to find some camping spots here, a little bit hide in the forest. Yeah, so searching. Ready for today. I'm tired. Oh, so today I did 20 miles. It's not so much. So the most people in Washington are doing, I think, 25. I think this is normal, 25, maybe 30. But for me was 20 enough. So, yeah. Okay. Now, baby wipe, shower, something to eat, and that's it. I think I'm very tired because yesterday it was so cold in the night, and in the morning it was very cold. I had wet clothes. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is one. Not too much. 20 miles is good. It's okay.